We are going to try BLK's, ito yung nakita ko lang, BLK Skin Tint Sun Shield. So, ito yung naging controversial na pag-compare through the previous years if you are an OG beauty lover. So, we are going to try their innovative ones na may kasama na siyang sponge. So, here are all the swatches. Oat, vanilla, linen, honey, sand, butterscotch, and toast. So, ito lahat ng shades ng kanilang skin tint ng BLK. Natin si Honey as our pero ang kagandahan nila, Bogs! Retractable yung kanilang sponge. Ang kanilang brush. So, let's see if it, kung maganda ba sa skin. This skin tint is life-changing on me. Dude, this skin tint and this brush is life-changing. Ayan o, nabiblend niya na maayos yung product on my skin. I love it. I super duper love so it. Important claims with this, may SPF 30 na siya and may broad spectrum na siya na UVA and UV shield, and this is okay, maganda tong skin tint na to, and this is the first time I saw a packaging na ito, bubuksan mo siya, ito yung dito ka mag-ano ng product, then may kasama na siyang travel friendly na brush na retractable. So this skin tint is very travel friendly, and why don't you try? Magugustuhan ko lang marami itong skin tint ni BLK.